Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. So what we're going to do is first I would have your students go to Google Classroom, and I have the link posted right here. Now granted, it's not scheduled to post until tomorrow, so if you were to go there right now, you would not be able to access it. But if you click on this, there's a link in there that will take you to where I want you guys to be. So let me back up a little bit though. So just remember, start on Google Classroom and then click on here to go to the link. And it should take you to Flipgrid. But let me back all the way out here. Oops. Hold on. Flipgrid.com. So it only allows educators to sign up. But if you have a Google account, then it will work. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in real quick. 1 second. All right, and then right here, you are going to click on my grid on this topic because once you click on that link, it should take you here. You might have to log in with your Google account, I'm not sure. But once you get here, you're gonna click on reading and then go to the topic vibrations and sound. So click right here. And then after that, I want you guys to read through these directions. So it's going to say, look through the pictures I've attached to this Flipgrid and then make a video saying what you think chapter 4 will be about. I pretty much say the same stuff right here in this video. So you would open up each image that I have attached. So there's one. There's another one. So after you go through all the pictures and see them, you're going to click here where it says record a response. And then Flipgrid's going to want to use your microphone and your camera. So click allow. And then you have time to be able to record it. You have a 2-minute limit. So this is me right now. Hi. So I would say something like 3, 2, 1, woo! Hi, I am Jim Bob, and I think that chapter 4 is going to be about different sounds and things and stuff. All right, this is an example. Woo! All right, and then I would click pause, and then I can add like little emoji stickers or hats or glasses. This is what makes it, fun. So, let me put my glasses on. So I can do it this way, and then once you're all done, there's other stuff. But once you're all done decorating it, you can click next, watch your video, click next, then you take a selfie. And then again, you can decorate your selfie, click next. And there we go. My video is now visible, complete. So then as a student, I would click on this, I would watch it, and then on my side, there's a way to, or like I have like grades and stuff. However, you can respond this way. So click reply, and then you would record your own video back to that student. So, hey, Jim Bob, I think your idea is swell. It's great. I agree with you. And then just go through the same process. You can decorate it and whatnot. And there we go. So that's how you make a video on Flipgrid. And that is how you respond to other students on here. I hope that this was helpful, you guys, and I look forward to being able to use it in the classroom with you all. And if you're a student on here wondering how to use Flipgrid, well, there you go. There's the brief version. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.